going on, guys? My name is Karim Jooma and welcome to another episode of Redline Auto Show. Right here is standing in front of me is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, and this is the first lifted Wrangler in the city. It's a 2-inch lift kit from Mopar, straight out the factory, with 35-inch tires. The lift kit is such good quality made by Mopar, I can't even wrap my hand around this. Check this out. My whole hand, I can't even wrap it around there. That's how thick the thing is, and it's so strong and durable. It's gonna give you good quality performance in there.
Alright guys, let me talk to you about these wheels and tires. Now what we've used is an XD series 17-inch wheel, 9-inch wide, wrapped with 35-inch Toyo open country tires. Now the best part about the Jeep JLs is you can use a zero offset wheel. You don't need offset wheels, so you spread out the tires, but this one goes straight in there.
So guys, I just want to stand in the middle between a stock JL that we have here. No lift, no rims and tires, no special, nothing like that. But if you go over here to this 2-inch Mopar lift kit with the rims and tires, it makes it look much more aggressive, more like a Wrangler should really look like. Give us a call. Our website will be in the description below. Thank you to Hayes Chrysler and Lawrenceville for sponsoring this video, giving us their Wrangler to use. In the meanwhile, while we make this video, guys, our link will be in the description below, so phone numbers. If you like the video, hit the like button down there. Subscribe here if you're already not subscribed. Here's our latest video. Until next time, what can I say? I'm out.